Welcome to eSeeker Training. I am going to show you how easy it is to turn your training manual into a test or examination that you can roll out nationally in multiple branches or within your own office or even department. If you don't have a training manual, we could put one together for you by simply discussing what it is you want people to do. Based on those questions, we reverse engineer it and we'll come up with the solution. So here are three simple questions. This is an example of what can be done. It can be 3 questions long, 30 questions long, or 300 questions long. So as you can see, the person would log in and click the Start Test button. Once they've clicked the Start Test button, it should take them to the first question. And you can have any questions you want. So here I have multiple choices. And what are our operating hours? 8 a.m., but I can go home when my work is done. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's no set time, or 5:30 to 5. 8:30 to 5. I know my office is 8:30 to 5. Then that's it. Next question. What is the procedure after we make a sale? Well, do we fill in the order form and send it to the accounts department? Keep orders together and hand them in at the end of the day? Jump up and down or hug the client? Well, I know that the correct answer is fill in an order form and send it to the accounts. The next question, what is the procedure if a customer complains to you? Do you apologize and defend the company? Do you defend yourself? Do you give them a full refund? Or do you listen to their story and take notes and then escalate the situation to your supervisor? I'm going to say it's the fourth one. And that's the end of the exam. Of course, this is only 2 out of 3. This is only a 3 exam. It says here I've completed the exam and I scored 2 out of 3. Now, which one did I get wrong? I got our operating hours wrong. Okay. I see our operating hours are actually 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now, what have I just done? I've now educated the person, myself, and I can go back and write this exam over and over and over again. That way, people start to understand what the processes are at your company, what is expected of you, what your sales techniques are, everything you want them to understand. And that is the end of it. Everybody will be notified of their scores, and you can even have a ranking system where you can see who's the top and who's the bottom. The great part of a ranking system is anybody at the bottom won't stay at the bottom for very long. They'll either be trained, fired, or hopefully they'll redo the exam over and over and over again until they get to the top. Because I know I would not want to be seen at the bottom where everybody else can see me. Thank you, and I hope you use our system.